Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this beautiful night sky using Autodesk sketchbook. For the background I'm using the flow airbrush. Now I'm going to draw the moon. For that I'm choosing the oval shape and then making a circle from that, filling it with white. So now I'm going to add some texture to the moon. For that I'm using the chalk pastel and then selecting a lighter shade of blue, and then I increase the size, changing the color once again. Yeah, I'm okay with the moon. I'm using the same flow airbrush to darken the background. Now I'm adding the mountains. So the line should not be straight. I just do little bit wavy so that it can create the natural look. Now I'm adding some trees, so that's gonna be my final sketch. I'm done with the mountain. So you can see I used a darker to lighter shade. Now I'm adding some pine tree. For the start, I'm using the technical pen. I change the brush type to blue. Now I'm adding some stars over the sky. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more art tutorials. Thank you.